Spam Museum, an episode of series, The 10 Museums Devoted to Food Culture. With a brand new location, the Spam Museum by Hormel Foods celebrates a food that people either love or despise. While visitors might not actually be able to find out what's inside a can of Spam, the museum has a lot of memorabilia on display, much of it related to its role in World War II. It was during that time that Spam was introduced to Hawaii and the Marshall Islands, where it is a beloved, almost signature food. Admission is free. Hours: The 101 3rd Avenue NE, Austin, Minnesota 55912. November to March, Monday, closed. Tuesday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sunday, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. April to October, Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday, noon 5 p.m. Closed, New Year's Day, Easter, Thanksgiving, Christmas Eve, and Christmas Day.